Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks software. First, you'll want to set up your company file, which is the foundation for all your financial data. Then, customize your chart of accounts to categorize income and expenses effectively. Connecting your bank and credit card accounts allows for automatic transaction imports, saving you significant time. Finally, adjust your preferences to tailor the software to your specific business operations and reporting needs. Once set up, managing your income and expenses is straightforward. You can easily create and send professional invoices to your clients, ensuring timely payments. Recording expenses is crucial. Categorize them correctly for accurate financial reporting and tax preparation. Don't forget to reconcile your bank and credit card statements regularly, ideally monthly, to ensure all transactions are accounted for and match your records. QuickBooks offers powerful reporting tools to give you insights into your business's health. Generate essential reports such as the profit and loss statement or balance sheet to understand your financial performance. If you have employees, you can process payroll directly within the software, handling wages and deductions. It also helps track sales tax, making tax season much simpler by providing the necessary data for filings. To further optimize your QuickBooks experience, explore its advanced features. If you sell products, leverage inventory management to track stock levels and costs. Setting up budgets allows you to monitor your financial goals and compare actual performance versus planned. Consider integrating third-party applications for specialized functions like CRM or advanced reporting, expanding QuickBooks capabilities to meet your evolving business demands.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.